Kiang Nangbah Government College kala Rakhe ya lyngkhuh snem kabasan punyo nadu bala seng ya ka menta kasing tho ding hapdeng kajing ipu iping lengba kajing ya shimbanta shit ram dakino hikai ki staff bat ki khana pule hapo auditorium hall hakani kasing laya don langru u Dr. SR Lendem kum u resource consultant karusa u balapan pau ya kajing khublei na kabanta ka college halor kajing aiburom na kabanta jong u Ula pertoru ya kani kajing ya lenti jong ka college lingba kajing wanra ya ka integrated teacher education program ITEP course kabasaw snem kabakontop ya ka BABN but BSCBN Nalor kata ulapan pauru ba omdon ki way part ki college ha ka jila ki banyo pediang ya ka kaba ka Kiang Nangbah Government College kalayo kani ka college kalala ban pendap ya ki kendon jong kanak kumju ya ka standard jong ka U Dr. Lendem ula ongru ngala sakhi ya kijing ki ba ki jaka pule kilamat ha ka jela bat ka Kiang Nangbah Government College kala dei hok banyo ya ka kerdan A++ rating namar lada ka A+ ka yang hakmat jongpi kin ompoi shenu ru ka dei ka por ban lekmen bat ban ai kijing itu ya ki no hikai bat ki khana pule
The college as a whole, after the NARC assessment, you have reached to a higher heights. Being recognized by LCTE, being recognized by the WHO to have the integrated course run in this institution, which is one of the 5 colleges in Northeast, if I'm not mistaken, please correct me. And being the only one in the state, you deserve this kind of celebrations. At the time of preparing NAT, we never dreamt that one day this course will come into effect. We thought NAT is for NAT purpose, but NAT has a benefit of other milestone for you to reach to a higher heights. And I hope by now you will not regret getting a B certificate. Because of that, you are able to reach higher and higher today. So I congratulate Madam Principal for taking this college to a higher heights. I know you as a teacher here during the NAT preparation, in charge of criteria 1, how committed you are at that point of time. And you have been I've been asking you many questions, giving you many assignments. But the assignments you give me today is more tougher to be the judge of these flowers. Beauty lies in the eye of the beholder. And you can imagine how difficult that subjective matters to give a judgment on it. Well, I try my best, and I love flowers, and all these flowers here, they deserve the equal status of beauty in the eyes of the beholder. They have not achieved the height that you are. What are those integrated courses in those colleges? They don't have. What is there to be proud of? A+, B+, all these things. These have their own parameters for which you are. But you have gone above the NAT criteria. You have gone above the NAT manual. I am asking the principal this morning, who will assess you now? Already you have integrated course. Who will assess you? Which body will come to you? You need a different manual. You need a different parameters. You need a different SOP. You need a different benchmark. So, Madam Principal told me maybe NAT will come and assess us. Even if NAT come and assess you, you are beyond that parameters. I hope you realize this fact. I have gone to many colleges in the state, traveling from length and breadth of the whole state, every district in the state. I have seen the ground reality of education. I have seen and witnessed the problem, the reality, the challenges of the institutions. And if this is the case, I give you a certificate not with my written hands, with my unwritten hands and soul, that you are the A double plus, not A plus. You deserve A double plus. Because if A plus come in front of you, they stand in the way. So it's time to celebrate. It's time to give thanks to God. It's time to acknowledge your own contribution. I'm glad that you have acknowledged the teachers. 25 years of service. In that 25 years of service, how many students you have come out from you? Visit Kiang Nangbah before you give speech in other colleges. You deserve. You deserve. God has blessed you. God will bless all my beloved teachers, principal, students, and God will bless you. Take this college to higher and higher height. Thank you very much.
QA part ki bala ajing kren ha kane ka program ki kanthop ru ya UJP Sharma IQAC coordinator Dr. EM Bla principal ka college ka bala ai ka jingkhuble ya ki nong seng jong ka college kumju ya ki nohi kai bat ki staff ki bala tresh tom bat penwandori ki khna pule kumju ya katanat pule puthi ka sarkar jilla halor ka jingai piteng ban ai ka jingkershan ha ka baya dei bat ki jingdon kam ki baya dei bat ka jing penhe pensan ya kane ka jaka pule ha kani ka sngi lapan ko burom ru ya UJP Sharma halor ka jing aji shakri ka ba arpsan snem jong u hapo kani ka college kinong yalam ka college bat ki khana pule ki balayo he marks tam ha ka subject mathematics bat botany lanang pen phu pen pheng shu shu ya kani ka sngi lang ba ki jing shat jing roi na ki khana pule.
We are very grateful and thankful to all the founding members of the college. It is through their hard work and dedication. The Government College was renamed into Kiang Nangbah Government College in the year 1983 after the name of a local freedom fighter, Kiang Nangbah. The founding member of this great institution had a great vision to impart quality education to the student, for without their hard work and blessing, the institution would not have become what it is today. The college was accredited by NAN as we have heard in the year 2021. I am very thankful to all the teaching and the non-teaching staff and the student for your hard work and dedication through which the college was accredited in the year 2021. I believe you will continue to support us in all the work required by IQAC and support the IQAC coordinator and all the criteria leader so that in the second cycle we will get better grade than the first cycle.
Để nhau ta cũng là